We are going to go ahead and tell you a little about what happened at the Ticket to Dream Golf Classic. We raised over $500,000, and it was an amazing event, even in the rain. Right at the end of the day, we had a great time. We brought about 12 of our agents out there, and we're going to basically share some of this with you. So why don't we let our video guy named Larry roll the video, Larry. You got it.
It is the Ticket to Dream Golf Classic Day. We're excited. All the funds is going to be...
We're excited.
Yeah, all the funds are helping to raise extracurriculars, go towards avoiding homelessness, and essentials as they enter care. We got silent auction items. We got golfers getting ready to go out on the course. And actually, you can actually donate at home. Tickettodream.org/golf, and you can bid on the silent auction items.
Yes, you can.
They can give you a little competition.
We'll put some links down here if you want to participate, you want to help out foster care youth. Click the link below and donate what you can when you can.
What's your favorite thing about coming to this type of event?
You know, it's probably one of the better or best put together event. It's so well attended. The amount of people and connections that you can make here is unbelievable.
What gets me very excited is I'm ready to rock on with Ticket to Dream. We're here supporting the kids, foster kids, helping out as much as we can. And I'm with Insperity, and we're here to help out and do what we can.
You know what? Actually, what I'm excited about is seeing a lot of good friends. Raising money for the kids.
I'm very happy to be here to support Ticket to Dream. It's a great cause. They help, babies up to 20-something-year-olds, and it's a great charity to work for or to be part of.
If you can play golf, you have to at least look good.
Oh, we love helping the kids out, and we always love golfing with the theme.
Supporting the kids.
Raising money for the kids.
For the kids.
We love helping the kids.
For the kids.
For the kids.
So let's talk about solar. We'll give you a solar update. Now, we've been talking about NEM 2.0 and the transition to NEM 3.0 over the last couple of months. And for those of you that took advantage, that is awesome. We've got a lot of people who did. Yes, raise your hand if you did. Who took advantage. They're getting glass put on their roofs right now, and they're experiencing a massive amount of savings. But that doesn't mean that if you didn't put solar on your house that you missed the boat, because there's all kinds of new programs that are rolling out that are helping you save money even through this transition. So if you have solar, if you don't have solar, if you're thinking about solar and you just want to check in to see exactly how much money you might be able to save, please reach out. We've got a really dialed in process that makes it very quick and very easy to understand what your options are.